Hi friends, so this is part 2 of the get content commandlet in PowerShell. So in the previous tutorial I just covered the basic ways of doing things with get content. So in this one I will be showing some other functionality of it. So let me clear the screen. Now in here, now let's create a variable. I'm calling it data file, and I'm saying get content, and the name of the file is log file. So now if I type in data file, what it will do is that it will show me the contents of that file. But let's see what is this data file, what type of variable it is, or what type of file it is holding. Get type. So if I do get type, it will show me the type of data that it is. So in here you can see that it says the base type of this is the system array. So basically what it means is that this data file variable that we created, which is pointing to log file, it holds the contents of that file as an array. So for those of you who don't know programming an array, well, array is something like where things are put in different I don't know how to explain it. So this is how you basically define it in some languages. So this is like a is equal to 1 and a is equal to 10 and then like 15, 20. So this is how you do it. And then in order to receive the contents of the element of the first variable in the array, what you do is that you do something like this, a 2. So what this will show us is that 0 1 2, so it will show us 15. So because an array things start at 0, so this will be 0, this will be 1, and this will be 2. So this is how arrays work in most programming languages. So let me clear the screen. That's how it works in PowerShell as well. What it will do is that right now this data file, if we do it, this content is saved in an array. So each line, this is an array 0. This second line, this is an array 1. This is an array 2. So in computers, everything is sorted as 0. So arrays also start at 0. So it's like 7 lines, but it's from 0 to 6. Now let's say I want to view the first line. How do I do it? I use a data file, and inside brackets I type in 0. Now in here it is saying cannot index into a, sorry, this is data file. So this shows me this is line 1. So it shows me the first line. However, in here I entered in 0 because in arrays everything is sorted 0. Now let's say I want to view the first 3 lines. So what I will do is that I will type in 0, 2 periods, and then 2. So what it does is that it shows me the contents of the array from 0 to 2. So it's 0, 1, and 2. So it's line 1, 2, and 3, these 3 lines. Now let's say I want to view the last 3 lines. How do I do that? In order to do that, what I would do is that I would type in something like -3 and then -1. So what it will do is that it will show me the last 3 lines. So -1, -2, and -3, the last 3 lines. So this is line 7, this is line 6, and this is line 5. So it shows me the last 3 files. However, what if I want to view this last 3 lines in a reverse order? So in here it's the same as in the file. So in the file, let me open this log file. So you can see that the last 3 lines, this is line 5, 6, and 7. However, let's say I want to view it in the reverse order. How do I do that? I just switch places, -1 and -3. Now you can see that in the text file, the last one is 7, then 6, then 4, then 5. It's how it goes. But in here you can see that it shows us in reverse order. The last line is showed first, then it is 6, then it's 5. So this is how you can view the contents of the file using arrays. So this is it for this tutorial. If you have any questions, suggestions, or recommendations, or if there is any particular topic that you want me to cover, feel free to put it in the comment section below, and I'll see you guys in the next one.